So here's one of the hardest questions on the SAT exam. If x to the power of 10 equals 5 and x to the power of 9 over y equals 5,555, what's 1 over xy? To do this, I'm going to start with the x to the 10 equals 5. I'm going to divide this by x and this by x. So I'm going to get x to the 9 equals 5 over x. And since x to the 9 now equals 5 over x, I'm just going to sub 5 over x into the x to the 9 over there. So that's going to give me equals 5, 5, 5, 5. So since y is here over 1, so I'm just going to change this division to multiplication. Then I'm just going to change this to 5 over xy equals 5, 5, 5, 5. And you know, this 5 could just go underneath here and you're left with 1 over there. So 1 over xy will equal 5,555 over 5, which is finally will give you 1 over xy equals 1, 1, 1, 1. And that's the answer. See you next time. Bye-bye.